Finding the best camera drones available is easier than ever as the drone market is reaching a saturation point. With more high-quality models available in a variety of shapes, sizes, and important price points to fit all budgets, you can capture impressive photos and videos whether you're a beginner, enthusiast, or a working professional. And that's where our guide to the 5 best drones in 2022 comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2. Despite being firmly outshone by its successor, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is still a great drone worth checking out, not least because its price has been considerably reduced. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Capture impressive 48-megapixel photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K or 60 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 10 km and can also deliver a 1080p FHD resolution live streamed directly from the drone's camera. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Number 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. As the flagship flying machine from Autel's latest lineup of DJI rivals, the Evo Lite Plus goes directly up against the Air 2S with 2000K, 1-inch CMOS image sensors respectively. Autel Robotics Lite Plus aircraft flying more combo can capture 20-megapixel images and 6K or 30 FPS HDR video. Robotics Lite Plus drone with f2.8 to f11 adjustable large aperture allows more light to enter into the camera, increasing the amount of light that comes in, making the picture brighter and sharper. Based on the Autel Moonlight algorithm, Autel Robotics Lite Plus aircraft can eliminate noise to output clean, delicate, low-noise night scene photos and videos with an ISO sensitivity of 48,000. Another advantage is defog mode, which can take more advanced transparent pictures and videos for aerophiles. Shooting mode changes as the environment changes. Choosing the right shooting mode as you like is also a thoughtful design. What's more, with max 40 minutes flight time, max 11.7 meter per second speed, and 7-level anti-wind, Autel Robotics Lite Plus UAV has longer endurance in harsh environments. Number 3. The DJI Mavic 3. Looking for the most powerful compact drone around? The DJI Mavic 3 is it. This aerial powerhouse is fronted by a dual camera that mixes a large 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor with a handy 162mm telephoto lens. Other improvements over its predecessor are 46 minutes of flight time. This lets you get all the shots you want on just a single battery, and the ability to shoot 5K or 50p video or 4K or 120p slow motion footage. Imaging above everything, with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the sensor provides a 12.8-stop dynamic range that retains more details in highlights and shadows, upgrading your work to a professional level. Smart return to home with a new advanced RTH system. Mavic 3 camera drone can return to its home point on a fast, safe, and optimized route. Whether activated by a low battery or the pilot, getting the quadcopter drone back to you during flight is easier than ever. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. DJI has unveiled a new version of its smallest and lightest camera drone, and once again, we think this mid-range drone is the best choice for people who want a serious flyer. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Mini 2 also supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. It's packed with a generous selection of beginner-friendly quick shot modes, which see the drone perform pre-programmed moves. But the Mini 2 offers more for pro snappers, too, thanks to the inclusion of raw photo shooting, while 4K video means the arrival of a boosted 100 Mbps bitrate. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Number 1. DJI Air 2S. The incredible Air 2S combines the best features of two of customers' favorite DJI drones, the Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2 Pro. You get the compact folding design of the former, plus the 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor found in the latter. A brilliant combination, making Air 2S the first choice for hobbyists and professionals alike who need a small drone that can be carried everywhere. The Air 2S will shoot a 5.4K video at 30 fps or 4K at 60 fps and 150 Mbps, as well as 20 megapixel. The next evolution of quick shots, Master Shots, is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. DJI Air 2S features the most advanced O3 OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly.